Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna solve this radical equation actually. Root 2x plus 1 minus root x minus 3 is equal to 2. Now my friends, we will square both sides, but before that let's write this as 2x plus 1 square rooted is equal to, let's have this part, right hand side 2 plus root x minus 3. Now we can square both sides and write left hand side will become just 2x plus 1. Right hand side is 2 squared, which is 4, plus 2 times root x minus 3, which is 4 times root x minus 3, and root x minus 3 squared will be equal to just x minus 3. From here we can also write 2x plus 1 is equal to this x plus 1 and plus 4 times root x minus 3. This is my friends equal to, this one will be cancelled. X is equal to 4 times root x minus 3. Now we will square both sides again. Let's write, we'll square this both sides again and write x squared is equal to 16 times x minus 3, which is x squared is equal to 16x minus 48. And we can write this as x squared minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now my friends, this is a factorable quadratic. We have x minus 4 times x minus 12, I guess. X minus 4 times x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is whether 4 or x is 12 from the quadratic equation. Now my friends, these values should be checked whether they are correct or not. Let's check. Remember, our original equation was root 2x plus 1 minus root x minus 3 is equal to 2. For x is equal to 4, that is 8 plus 1, 9, square rooted minus 4 minus 3 is 1 square rooted is equal to 2. That is correct. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That's okay. For 12, let's check. For x is equal to 12, we have 24 plus 1, 25, minus 12 minus 3, which is 9, square root is equal to 2. That is also correct. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the set of solutions is 4 and 12 for this radical expression. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.